Hello friends, welcome to Code with Karthik. We are going to see tuple packing and unpacking. First, we will understand what is tuple packing. Right? So, for example, you have three books B1, B2, and B3. You want to carry these three books somewhere. What you will do, instead of carrying one by one, you will take one box, and in this box you will keep these three books. Right? Means you have packed these three books in one box. Right? In the similar way, when you want to store multiple values in single variable, at that time you have to use this tuple packing concept, right? Storing multiple values in single tuple. So this is the tuple packing. So here what I have done here, I have taken here four values and I have packed those four values in one tuple, that is T1. So if you check data type of this T1, you will find this is class tuple. We know that in tuple round brackets are not mandatory. So if you don't give, still it is one tuple. So this is the tuple packing. Now we will see tuple unpacking. We have box, already we have box, and in this box we have three books B1, B2, B3. If I unbox this box, then what I will get? I will get three books B1, B2 and B3. In the similar way, if we are doing tuple unpacking, we will get those multiple values. So what is tuple unpacking? Extracting multiple values from a tuple. So that is the tuple unpacking. So this T1 is containing four values, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have packed those values 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are extracting these four values in four variables. Right? So this 1 will go in W, this 2 will go in X, 3 will go in Y, and 4 will go in Z. So this is the tuple unpacking. And when you are doing tuple unpacking, make sure that number of variables you are using here for unpacking, those should be equal to number of values, those are multiple values in the packed tuple, right? Otherwise you will get error. We have seen tuple packing and unpacking. So where this tuple packing concept is used, using tuple packing, multiple values are written from a function. So internally, when you are returning multiple values from a function, Python internally uses this tuple packing concept. Now we will see this tuple packing and unpacking practically. Now we will see tuple packing and unpacking practically. First we will see packing. I am defining here one tuple. In this tuple I am putting four values 11, 22, 33, 44. Now these four values are packed in this T1 tuple. I will print this tuple on the console. T1. I am running this much program. Now I got here one tuple. Now I want to unpack these four values. Right? So now I have told you, whenever you are using variables on the left hand side for unpacking of this tuple, their count should be same as the number of values you have stored in this tuple. So how many values I have stored? 4. Because of that I should take here 4 variables W, X, Y and Z. So now I am unpacking this tuple, that is T1. And if I print this W, then W we will print, then X, then Y, then Z. So if I run this much code, I got here 11, 22, 33, 44. So make sure number of count should be same, right? Now if I take less, count is less, so I have stored 4 values, but on the left hand side I am using only 3 variables. What happens? We will check. So now I got here value error, too many values to unpack. Right? So remember that whenever you are doing unpacking, number of variables should be same as the number of elements you have stored when packing that tuple. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.